So I'm going to sew in some inseam pockets, one in each side of this skirt. You can see I've got two pocket pieces here, one skirt panel, and I've put a notch in where I want my pocket to start. Let's line that up. And I'm going to stitch this about 5mm from the edge because my seam allowance is 1 centimetre and I want it to be less than that so that when I've finished my pocket the seam lies within the pocket, it won't show. So that's the first seam. Then you want to roll the pocket over the top of the seam allowance and stitch right on the edge. You don't technically have to do this stage, you can just press it, but I think this is much neater and gives a more professional finish. So that's one piece. See the edge stitching there, and that's the raw edge. Okay, so I've put the other pocket piece on the other side as well, and I've overlocked just that little bit of seam that you can see there. The top of the skirt is at the top of the screen, by the way, so the pockets go downwards so that you can put your hand inside. So look, you can see the overlocking there just on that pocket bit. And now I'm going to put the front and back skirts together, line those up. And I'm going to stitch 1 centimetre down and come all the way around the pocket and down to the hem of the skirt. So here we go, a bit of a back tack down towards the pocket. This stitch line should come to just to the left of that stitching on the pocket, and then pivot and go all round the pocket bags, following the nice curve. And again, stitch right up to and just past the other original stitching on the pocket, and then pivot, match your side seams and stitch down towards the hem. I'll show you this again in a moment once I've finished sewing. There we go. You can see this a bit more clearly now. You can see the stitching there stops to the left, goes all the way around the pocket, and then it goes just past and down. Now you just overlock it or zigzag it all the way around. Press your pocket towards the front of your skirt, and there you go. You can't see the seam hardly there, but you've got a nice pocket in your side seam. And obviously repeat for the other pocket. So this is mine after I've pressed it. And like I say, press your pockets towards the front so that they're going the right way when you wear your dress or skirt. All very neat.